Hey guys, how you doing today? This is Zana from Factory Hot Tubs. I'm going to show you a quick video on how to adjust your settings on your South Sea spas. So I just drained and refilled the spa. The first thing you want to do once it's full, obviously turn the power on. Your screen is going to say PR on it. It's going to prime for about 5 minutes. And what that's trying to do is get the air out of the lines. Once the PR goes away, you want to check your settings. So the first thing you want to do is check the temperature. So when you hit the warm button and you keep hitting, it's going to go up and down. 104 is the maximum temperature, and if it's too hot for you, just hit the cool button and bring it down. 100 degrees is the ideal temperature. 101 is a little bit nicer, but it's going to be your preference. So I would say start off at 100 degrees and then work your way up. Next setting you want to check is you want to make sure you're in standard mode, and the way you do that is by hitting warm and then mode, and you're going to see ECN. ECN stands for economy. You don't want to use that. Next thing you want to do, warm mode again, it'll go to SLP. SLP is sleep. You don't want that setting either. Do it one more time. Warm mode, and it'll bring you to standard mode. That's the setting you want to be at. If you have it set for standard, it will reach up to 104. Okay, that's the number one setting you want to be at. Next setting is you want to check your filter cycles, and you hit warm and then jet 1. You'll say FIL2, so it'll run for 2 hours at night and 2 hours in the morning, so it's going to run for 4 hours. If you hit warm again, it's going to go to 4, warm again, 6, 8, and then C. You don't want FILC. C stands for continuous. It's going to run 24 hours, which you do not need. So leave it at 2. If you have a lot of bodies in the water and you've got a lot of people jumping in and out of the tub, you can bring up your filter cycle one more time to bring it to 4, and then it will run for 4 hours a night and 4 hours in the morning, so a total of 8 hours. And that's going to be more than ideal. Okay, so leave it at FIL2, which is filter cycle 2. And like I said, if you need a little bit more filtration time, bring it up one more degree and you'll be at 4. Okay, so you're good to go. Happy hot tubbing. If you have any questions, give us a call.